Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to this special episode where I am going to show you my TCS trade. And if you can remember the TCS trade which I have taken, I put the video on last Saturday. If you have not seen that video, you can just see here. I have bought 3600 call option, sold 3800 call option, triple the quantity, and just for hedging, I bought 24,000 call option. At the same time, I also sold 3400 put option and bought 3200 put option. Rationally all I explained in the video already. That's because for the last few months, TCS has been trading between 3400 to 4000. And I also told you I am bullish, but I'm not very bullish. That's what exactly happened after the results. And after the results, now the TCS is trading higher by about 35-40 rupees. This is despite Infosys falling yesterday as well as today. And this video is being shot on Tuesday. And because Monday evening the result came, most of the people who create positions for the purpose of earnings, they will exit the day the result comes. But sometimes I also just tend to carry the position if I have some certain opinion about the stock until the end of expiry. Because anyway, today is Tuesday, so we have only about 10 more trading sessions for this expiry. Maybe I can show you what we have done, Opstra portfolio and paper portfolio TCS trade. So you can see here, 3600 call option we bought for 144, now trading around 165. There's a profit of 6,000. And 3800 call option we sold at 52, now trading at 47, is also in profit. You see the beauty, your sell option also giving profit, buy option also giving profit. Of course, for the purpose of hedging, 4000 call option we bought, there's about 3,000 loss. On the downside, we sold 3400 put option that's giving 7,000 profit. And for hedging 3200 put option, we bought, it's giving 2,000 loss. Totally, the total profit is 12,700 as of now. And I told you, maybe we can just go here, analyze the trade. The margin money for this is about 2 lakh something. It is showing 2.5 lakh rupees, but this margin is not very accurate. Assume that even the margin is 2.5 lakh rupees, and now we are sitting with a profit of around 13,000. So this is more than 5% return. So just see, I created a position just 1 or 2 days before the results, and the next day after the results, and it is giving about 5 to 6% return. So this is the beauty of making a combination of strategies. If you want to see from my trading terminal, today's profit is showing around 8,000, but my trading terminal will show the profit only today's MTM. It will not show from the day. That is why I have shown you from the abstract. This will give you from the day we created. And not only that, those who have been watching my YouTube videos very closely, yesterday I became a little bit bearish and I sold some additional call option, 4,100 call option. I sold it around 9 rupees, that was around closing time only. And there I am already sitting with about 1,800 rupees profit. So finally I am sitting with about a profit of 15,000 rupees. And many people may ask, sir, for your status, how can you do like 2 lots or 4 lots? This is not done for the purpose of doing. This is done just for showing that how profits can be made, and how you can take a little bit risk and you little bit view of the stock and how you can make profit. So it was to demonstrate that. Otherwise, if I wanted, I could have done like 20 lots, 50 lots like that. But I have not done. Nowadays, I am not very much interested in trading in stocks. I am more interested in trading in Nifty and Bank Nifty only. So this is for those who are interested in trading in stocks. Many people think, trading, through options is so easy. It is not really that easy. And what is the rationale? How we create the structures? What is your view? How to construct the option strategies, all we teach in our workshop, and we have launched 1-day workshop both offline and online. offline various cities. So if you want to attend our workshop, you can check the link in the description. And so far I've been taking 2-day workshop, but now I'm just cutting down that unnecessary strategies and focusing only on important strategies and condensing it into 1-day workshop. This decision we have taken based on the feedback of our past workshop participants. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Wait for my next strategy. Maybe in a day or two, we will come out with some other strategy. Thank you.